In this experiment, we will use the apparatus shown to study the image formed by a convex lens. First, put the convex lens in front of the lamp housing. The distance between them should be greater than twice the focal length of the lens. Switch on the lamp housing and turn off the lights of the room. Use the translucent screen to capture a sharp image of the illuminated letter F. What is the nature of the image? Use the card to cover the upper half of the lens. What happens to the image on the screen? Now, put the convex lens at twice the focal length away from the lamp housing. Use the translucent screen to capture a sharp image. What is the nature of the image in this case? Put the convex lens within twice the focal length away from the lamp housing. Make sure that the distance is not less than the focal length. Observe the nature of the image captured on the screen. Finally, hold the convex lens close to the print in a book as shown. Make sure that the distance between the print and the lens is smaller than the focal length. What is the nature of the image formed?